So you've probably seen this acronym, MCP, popping up all over the place in the AI world, right? But what is it exactly?
It's called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP for short. And honestly, the best way to think about it is as the USB-C for AI. It's a universal adapter, a standard plug that just lets any AI connect to any tool. Simple as that. And the team at Anthropic who created it have the perfect analogy. We all remember that junk drawer full of a dozen different charging cables, right? One for every device. USB-C came along and fixed all that with one single standard. Well, MCP is aiming to do the exact same thing, but for the entire world of AI.
So getting a little more specific, what is it? Well, MCP is an open source standard. Think of it like a universal language, a set of rules that lets any AI model talk to any tool. It doesn't matter if it's searching the web, pulling data from a database, or, posting a message in Slack. It creates a secure, predictable, and most importantly, standardized way for them to communicate.
So if we get technical for just a second, MCP is an open source standard that basically acts like a bridge at the operating system level. It gives AI models a structured, secure, and totally predictable way to talk to the outside world. And it doesn't matter if that's a simple script on your own computer or a giant cloud service like Google Drive.